Well guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ryan and today I'm going to share with you guys 50 facts of facial cleansing in 5 minutes. And let's not waste time anymore. There are two main kinds of sunscreens, the mineral sunscreen and the chemical sunscreen. And if you use chemical sunscreen only to your skin, then foam cleanser is enough to perfectly cleanse your skin. But if you use mineral sunscreen, they are almost the same with common level of makeup, so you need to cleanse them with cleansing oils. Especially the sunscreens called no sebum, they usually have powders inside, so if you don't cleanse them out perfectly, then they are going to clog your pores and cause acne. Usual foam cleansers are made with some hydrators and some surfactants that are weaker than those in usual soaps. Acidic foam cleansers are weaker than usual foam cleansers, but still they contain surfactants too, so if you cleanse your skin too many times with low pH level foam cleansers, they can be harsh to your skin barrier too. The right way to use foam cleanser is put just enough amount of foam cleanser and make bubbles as much as you can and cleanse your skin with that bubbles as even as you can. But to be honest, ingredients are not that important when it comes to foam cleansers. Of course, if a foam cleanser is containing diverse kind of good ingredients, then it wouldn't be harmful to your skin, but you're going to put them on your skin only for like 20-30 seconds, right? So they might be able to put effective ingredients in foam cleansers, but they are not going to make your skin like that better. So when you buy a foam cleanser, just check whether they are gentle, hydrating, and cleansing as well. If a foam cleanser breaks you out, it's usually because of allergy, even though they contain some ingredients that can clog your pores. If you cleanse your skin with an acidic foam cleanser, your skin will be a little slippery. That doesn't mean that your skin is not cleansed, but the foam cleanser didn't take away the moisture of your skin. Cleansing gels are weaker than usual foam cleansers. It's hard to make bubbles with cleansing gel. You might think like this fact doesn't deserve to be in this video, but I felt trapped when I first bought a cleansing gel and couldn't make bubbles easily. But still, cleansing gels are so hydrating, so if you have dehydrated type skin, then I guess you can try it out. If you put makeup or mineral sunscreen on your skin, then you can cleanse them with cleansing water, cleansing oil, cleansing balm, and cleansing milk. But cleansing milk is so weak actually, so if you put on a lot of makeup or waterproof sunscreen, then I don't recommend you use cleansing milk. And the cleansers I just mentioned, they cannot kill bacteria, so if you use them on your skin with not a clean hand, it wouldn't be good for your skin. Cleansing oil and cleansing balm are super similar. They might be different when they were first released, but now there's just so many variations, so the only thing different is texture. If you can see some dead skin cells on your face, or if your skin feels tight, then it means your skin barrier is broken, so I don't recommend you use cleansing oil. Skin barrier means the outmost layer of your skin that protects your skin primarily. If you put cleansing oil on your skin for too long, then they can break your skin barrier. So if your skin is healthy right now, then it doesn't matter, but if your skin barrier is broken, then using cleansing oil is not recommended. The leftovers of cleansing oil and cleansing balm can clog pores and cause acne, so I highly recommend you double cleanse your skin with acidic foam cleansers. I mean, if there's another way you can get rid of the leftovers of cleansing oil and cleansing balm, you don't need to double cleanse your skin with foam cleanser, but that's kind of like a shortcut. I told you guys that cleansing gels are usually weaker than cleansing foams, right? So I don't believe that cleansing gels are proper to use as the second step of double cleansing because they can perfectly remove leftovers of oil. Cleansing balms are so travel friendly, but when it comes to cleansing balm, using cleansing balm not in dirty way can be an issue because like I said before, there's a possibility where cleansing balm has left on your skin, and if the cleansing balm was already contaminated, then it wouldn't be good for your skin. I told you guys cleansing oils and cleansing balms can clog your pores, but if you feel like your pores are blocked, then they might be usually because of dead skin cells and sebum. So using foam cleanser is recommended at morning. After you finish your nighttime skincare routine, it's so easy for dust and dead skin cells to stick to your skin. So if you don't cleanse your skin properly at morning, then they can cause inflammation. So if you don't want to use foam cleanser in morning, then cleanse your skin with cotton pad and toner at least. The right way to use cleansing water is soak a cotton pad with cleansing water and cleanse your skin with that cotton pad. And after then, usually you don't need to wash your face with water, but still cleansing waters are powerful as much as they can get rid of 100% of makeup on your skin. So I think double cleansing is recommended. If you find some breakouts after using a cleansing water, then first it be because of the cleansing water, but more likely it be the way you use cotton pads. Some people like to use cleansing water because they believe cleansing waters are gentle, but if they find they are not working as well as cleansing oil, then they are going to press their skin with too much of power. So I don't want to say cleansing water is for sensitive skin. No. If you want to get rid of blackheads with cleansing oil, then I don't think that's like a a bad idea, but like I said before, they can clog your pores, and if you use some BHA skincare products, then they are not going to clog your pores and get rid of your blackheads. So I don't know why you need to get rid of blackheads with cleansing oil. Also, you can exfoliate your skin with cleansing oils, but there are a lot of HA, BHA, PHA skincare products. If you don't wear makeup, then just take the easy way out. Some people shave with cleansing foam, but they are not going to work for your inflammation that shaving possibly can cause. Between your eyes, around your nose and mouth are kind of easy to forget when you cleanse your skin. So if you got some pimples there, then you can suspect the way you cleanse your skin. A lot of toners were released as the last step of cleansing skin. My cleansing balm recommendation is Banila Clinic Gel Purifying, and cleansing foam recommendation is Soonjung Whip Cleanser as always, and cleansing water recommendation is this Innisfree Derma something cleansing water. I forgot the name. I think today's video is all about user facts, and some of you guys might be like, but some products from some brands have some ingredients and you are wrong. But like I said before, in this video I talk about the basics. There are a lot of variations in the skincare world, but still basics don't change, and keeping basics in your mind is the best way to find shortcuts for every single step of your skincare routine. So I hope this video helped you skincare rookies, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click subscribe button, and annyeong! So I finished filming video like 20 minutes ago, but I just wanted to show you that I've really tried Clinique Zero Purifying Cleansing Balm and this Innisfree Derma Formula Micellar Cleansing Water too. Yeah, I mean, I don't need to show you guys Soonjung Whip Cleanser though, right? Trust me, I never review skincare products if I haven't tried them out. It's not for me to say.